This video guide will provide you with instructions on how to remove the online scam that claims to be Windows Firewall Protection Alert. This online scam may come up through any browser, but in my case it came up through the Google Chrome browser and some random websites. This scam claims to be related to Windows support. It also quotes this telephone number, which is +1 866 462 3508. But as you probably know, Windows support does not have any telephone numbers. So this information displayed by the pop-up is absolutely faulty. The pop-up attempts to make you call this telephone number, and if you call it, you will hear some online frauds who will try to connect to your computer remotely and will then tell you that your system is full of threats, full of viruses, full of malware, and that you need to pay money to get it fixed. So the real purpose of these pop-ups is not to help you, but rather to make you waste your money for nothing. These pop-ups, by the way, may be the result of some adware to be enabled in your computer. First thing you could do is to check the control panel of your Windows computer and uninstall any programs that could be suspicious. If you find them, get rid of them, uninstall them. But very often it happens that the adware is concealed deep in the computer, so it is not possible to detect it visually. We recommend you to research your system with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus, and you may get it on the official resource combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the application, and start researching and investigating your system with its help in order to detect and delete all other threats fully from your workstation. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called Anti-Ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.